Legends of Learning presents the Popsicle Tycoon game. This is a science game that makes learning about temperature, thermal energy, and particle motion fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, as the proud owner of a popsicle factory, you will have to use your knowledge of thermal energy to create the perfect popsicles. Use the mouse to click on the different areas to move the owner of the factory to complete different tasks like repairing equipment or upgrading machines. Use your science knowledge to apply temperature, energy, and motion to complete different tasks to get more deliveries for upgrades, and complete repairs to keep your popsicle factory operating to earn more income. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.